Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy. OMG, Dr. Levy is doing a virtual workshop on Sunday, February 6th for all of us to learn from him. Now, Dr. Levy, who can come to this workshop?
Well, I like to say basically anyone who has a pulse and wants to keep it.
You're amazing. Not only are you going to learn some new truths about health, but you're also going to laugh in the process, right? So the workshop is called Roadmap to Health. And this is where you get to become pain and symptom free. This is where you get to choose what direction that you're going to go in. And that's Sunday, February 6th. I'm going to put the link below in the description so that you can choose what roadmap you want to be on. So Dr. Levy, you know, some of the people that might be thinking, well, do I really want to do this? Do I not want to do that? Why would you tell them to come join this workshop?
Well, I think a lot of people aren't really satisfied or happy with their state of health or with the medications they're taking, the expense of the care, the time they invest in it. And for most people, I think we have some options that can make your life better, okay? Not only make you feel better and give you more energy, but also address areas that in many patients, in many individuals, will keep their diseases from progressing. Because right now, to my knowledge, regular medicine, for the most part, unless you have something that gets cut out in surgeries, anything else, a medical disease, medicine doesn't really offer much to stop the disease, keep it from progressing, and certainly doesn't do anything to reverse it. So these are some options that I've seen work in many patients, many individuals. I still get emails from people around the world, and I give them little bits and pieces of this information, but we not only give everybody a big block of information, we'll make available to them 5 of my most significant books free as a download.
Amazing, amazing. So you guys not only are going to be learning from Dr. Levy, you'll get the books that he's written as a result of this. This is, you know, all this information should not reside in one person. This is information that I'm so grateful to you, Dr. Levy, that you're willing to share. So any final words before we go?
No, not really, except to say that your health can be as good as you're motivated to be to take care of it. Okay, just do your best, research your best, use your own brain, talk to people and healthcare practitioners that are willing to discuss and listen to you. And I think you'll find yourself reaching a higher level of health and satisfaction in your life than you've ever had before.
I love it. I love it. That's Roadmap to Health, Sunday, February 6th, 2022. For those of you who have New Year's resolutions, and one of it is to be healthy, because you know what they say? They say that a healthy man or a healthy person has 1,000 dreams, but someone who is unhealthy only has one. So before you get there, let's make sure that you do everything you possibly can to be healthy. So check out the information below. Go to the website. Remember, subscribe and do all those things so that you can learn from the classroom. And please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you, and especially Sunday, February 6th. Click the link below and start your roadmap to health. Please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott and Dr. Thomas Levy wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Good job.